Hello, my name is Janene Davidson. I'm the Student Support Manager for IPU New Zealand. I'm here today to tell you all about our complaints procedure. The first step in the complaints process is to make sure you've talked to anybody who's involved with the complaint. If you can't resolve the problem, talk to somebody at Student Support. Maybe they can help. If your complaint is still unresolved, you can report to the Student Support Manager or to the Head of School and they will respond to you. If the complaint still remains unresolved, you can write a formal letter of complaint to the President of IPU New Zealand and she will refer your complaint to the appropriate committee. If you cannot find an appropriate solution, you can write a written appeal to the Board of Trustees who will look at your complaint. Finally, if you're not happy with the solutions offered by IPU New Zealand, you can report it to the New Zealand Qualifications Authority, that is NZQA. I hope you found this complaints video helpful and that helps you solve your complaints. Thank you for your time.